Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm your girl if you're right. Today I'm unboxing a tiny itty bitty package that I ordered from Amazon.
Hey, yeah, I'm a bad boy doing good things.
And I ordered it 3 days ago and I got it today. It's because of this like I'm not able to, I want easy access to transfer my images from the memory card onto the computer, and what's happening is that I need to find the cable. I have so many cables and it's always like missing or whatever the case is, so it's been a struggle transferring my videos from here, or my images from the camera onto my laptop. And because of that, I've gotten this camera for so long, I haven't been able to do anything with this. Okay, so let me see how it came. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, this is a 7-in-1 USB-C hub. It is so amazing. See that? Okay, so this is so nice. This is gonna be, you see this? Okay, so this is how it came. This is the box. Okay, I'll put the link below if you want one. This is amazing, especially for all of you with Apple MacBook 2000, and I believe anywhere, I'm not sure which series, but this is 2017. It doesn't have the slot for the memory card, so instead of me getting one slot for the memory card, and then I just decided to go with a hub. Searching on Amazon, this, what is it called, QGeeM or something like that. I don't know if that's how we pronounce it. Amazing. So this is it. You see that? Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So my thing only comes with 2 ports, right? You see those 2 ports? This is one, and then this is the other one. Okay, there's nothing here. I mean, all you people who own these Apple stuff, you know. The newer version, the MacBook 2020 or 2022 has quite a lot of ports, including the memory card slot as well, but this one doesn't. So getting this, it's going to help me be able to use let's say my mouse, my wireless mouse, and also it just extends my ability to attach more thing to this if it is external wired microphone, right? So this is it. Ooh. Okay, I put it here, go in. So let me pack all these things. I think it comes with manual, but where is this? Oh, so I need to unscrew this here, and then this is, so yeah, so this is, so you see this knob, you bring it back here, it's open, then you push this thing down, bang, I got this. Okay, so let me see. So now I have the USB 1, 2, and then I have the one for the Android, the newer version. You see that slot over here? So I have the slot, you see that? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the memory card slot, and then we have a smaller memory card, so the micro or the mini micro, whichever it's called, the smaller one to these ones. So let me see how this is gonna play out. Oh my gosh, is this the right place? I hope it's the right thing. So let me see here. This goes in. It goes in like this. I'm a new Apple user, so as you can see, so click where are my stuff. So general, what is it? Thumbnails, sub status, media pro, general, clip. I don't know. Let's try this. Oh my gosh! I got all my stuff.
Mommy.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh! So I got everything here. I'm so. Oh my god. Okay, so how do I go back? Apple user. So oh my gosh! This is what I did yesterday. So I've got. Oh my graciousness! I've got everything here. So these are all my clips. I think this is my other unboxing video that I'm going to be showing you soon. I mean, the fact that I've been able to, oh my graciousness, this is so nice. I am so happy. So I've got all my stuff here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a file. It is so difficult learning this Apple stuff. Copying 37 items to desktop. Seriously?
Now pause it until it's done. How about that? How about that?
Okay, so as you can see, I'm struggling with Apple. I just got this. But I like it. It's very fast. That's the thing. Very. It's faster than my other computers that I've owned.
So can I?
Oh my gosh! Finally! Finally! Now I'm gonna be able to transfer my things so fast onto my computer and format it and reuse it again. Thanks to Mr. QGeeM. How do we say this? It's QGeeM. Hub. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link below. If you want an easy access to extend, if you want to extend your hub, make sure that you go get one of these. It's oh my gosh, there's another price. There's another hub here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it makes it 7 hubs. Oh my! Check this out. QGeeM. Yep. On Amazon, $26.99, and it came in 2 days. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hey. Yeah, I'm a bad boy doing good things. Got